Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Dua and today we are going to be making peanut butter cookies. Now these are very simple because there are only 3 ingredients and then I add some toppings along if you want to do that too. So let's go. So start off by preheating your oven to 180 degrees. The 3 ingredients you'll need are 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter and 1 egg. That's it. Start by combining all of your ingredients together in a bowl. Now I personally think that using 1 whole cup of sugar makes the cookies quite sweet in the end, so it's up to you whether you want to use less. Then mix everything together. I'm using an electric whisk here, but of course you can use a hand one too. And it should look something like this. Then line your baking tray with some baking paper and take the mixture you've just made and separate it into balls. Now this makes between 12 to 14 cookies, depending on the size of the cookies that you want to make. So roll it up into balls like this and flatten them out on the tray. And if you want slightly softer and more gooey cookies, then I recommend not flattening them out as much. And they should look like this. Now to finish off the cookies, I'm going to take some pieces of chocolate and some peanuts which I've roasted and put into halves, and I'm going to top the cookies off. Now you can use just chocolate or just peanuts, or you can leave them completely plain, it's up to you. Then bake them in the oven for no more than 10 minutes until you see the edges of the cookie starting to brown. And they should look like this. They might still be soft when they come out of the oven, so wait for them to cool down and they'll harden up slightly, but they'll still be soft on the inside. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. And as always, all the ingredients and the method will be in the description below. Bye guys.